we go to school to get education, and education brings a lot of changes in our life. What is the importance of education? That will be taught to you by this poem, Education. First, I am going to recite this poem. After that, I'll tell you the explanation of this poem. Education helps us in strife. With education, we can lead our life. Things can come and go. No one can steal whatever you know. Education never ceases. With education, our knowledge increases. Life is a journey. Education is the station. It is the mixture of knowledge and creation. We lead our life with reason. With it, life becomes an enjoyable season. Education teaches us how to mention. With education, we can lead with tension. We can deal with tension. Education makes the nation strong. It distinguishes between right and wrong. It makes us successful. It lights up our life if it is dull. It opens petals of our mind. It is the precious ornament we will ever find. Education is very important for us in our life, as education helps us in strife. With education, we can lead our life. Things can come and go. No one can steal whatever you know. What is the importance of education? When there is strife, when there is any problem, you can solve your problem with the education. You can face the tension with the education. There will be no problem for you if you are educated. Education is such a thing that a thief cannot steal it, and education never ceases, because education always increases. It is said that there is only one thing in the world that increases after distributing. If you distribute education, that time it increases. It never decreases. So education is very important in our life. Life is a journey. Education is the station. It is the mixture of knowledge and creation. We lead our life with reason. With it, lives become an enjoyable season. Education teaches us how to mention. With education, we can deal with tension. It is said that life is a journey. When you stop, that time life stops. So in Sanskrit also it is said that Chareveti Chareveti. It means life is always going on. When you stop, that time there is end of the life. So life is just like a journey, and education is the station where you stay for some time. You get a knowledge. Actually, what is the knowledge? Knowledge is a mixture of Education is a mixture of knowledge and creation. When you get knowledge and you are able to create anything, that time this is the true meaning of education. Education also teaches us how to live our life. It makes our life enjoyable. If you have education, that time you can enjoy your life easily. You will feel no problem. Enjoy is a matter of pleasure. It is a matter of education. It makes your life easy. Education teaches us how to mention, and we can deal with tension easily. If you have any tension, you have any problem, you can deal with your tension. You can deal with your problem with education. An educated person can easily deal with his tension, but if there is uneducated person, that time it is a great problem for him or her to deal with tension. Education makes the nation strong. It distinguishes between right and wrong. It makes us successful. It lights up our life if it is dull. It opens petals of our mind. It is the precious ornament we will ever find. We all live in a nation. And how does a nation become strong? It becomes strong with the help of education. If people are educated in a nation, that time that nation is very strong. Because if there is any problem, that time people of that country can solve that problem because they are educated. They can distinguish between right and wrong. What is right, what is wrong, you can distinguish with the help of education. Education makes you successful. You are able to achieve your aim and you can enjoy your success. It lights up your life. If there is any dullness, there is any problem in your life, that time you can easily deal with it. It opens the petals of our mind. As you know, our mind is very complex and you can open the petals of your mind with the help of education. Education makes your mind strong. It makes you ready to do any work in your life. Education is the most precious ornament that a person can find in his life. So it is said that education is very important in our life. So it is necessary that we must go to school, we must go to study, because in school, in colleges, we get education. Just listen a song that is saying the importance of school and it is saying you to go to school. Enjoy this song, very interesting song.